I'm just watching this flag. See how the 21's coming to price action? It's got low stochastics compared to the rest of the market. That looks hot. So I think you're onto something, Margaret. I think there's a reason why you told me to look at this, and you may have just given us the trade of the day. So I don't know. I'll watch this closely, but that looks pretty interesting. The bear scenario is this is a double top. We've double topped on the weekly. Not a good sign for a massive asset to double top. Like, you have to take that into consideration. So that's not the best sign in the world. And we got that last little push up. We made a new all-time high. So this would be an M. And we would make a move to the downside. That tells you you're going somewhere to about $77,000. I love Deep Book. It's in an ascending triangle. Looks like there's no reason to stop it from pumping. It looks beautiful. If any coin's hot, it's Deep Book protocol right now. So when moving averages get tight, it tells me to accumulate an asset, specifically on big time frames. I start buying 20 grand, 20 grand, 20 grand, 20. I start making a big bag. When they get really far apart, that usually tells you it's time to take some profit. When they start getting back together again, that creates the pump. So I just wanted to show you that idea. The moving averages are starting to tell me, from my years of backtesting, that there's a big move coming for Bitcoin. And it is a bullish move. And this is what I'm going to teach you about moving averages. Whenever they're conjoining into a tight space, like here, boom, even here, boom, right? When you get this tightness, something is brewing. You're about to get a massive move. If you sell everything right now and then it comes back up and you buy right here, there's nothing wrong with that because you're selling a double top. There's a good chance that it makes an M and then it makes the pattern. I've seen this happen, more than it hasn't. And look, that lines up with that high volume node. And there you would take a tumble back down to about $77,000 for Bitcoin. Patterns don't work, they're full of it, but there's an inverted head and shoulder that breaks you to the upside day. Bit of a cup and handy, Sammy. And this is, look, a cup and handle there. Because look, this is your cup here. That's your handle right there. Still on the way actually for a bigger measured move for that cup and handle, taking you somewhere back up to 102,000, 103. And I see us inside of an ascending triangle. And don't you see it too? It's a bit of a twisted, drunken shoulder. Head, right shoulder. That could be an inverted head and shoulder. They don't have to be perfect. I've seen them like this before. I've seen them slanted. I've seen them all types of ways slanted down before, and they break up to... I've seen so many different things in trading. It's all about flipping the way you look at something. What I'm seeing is a sloppy shoulder, head, right shoulder. I'm seeing kind of what's called a ascending cup and handle. Cup is moving up with a higher high. The handle with the boom to the upside. The 3-day chart just looks bullish to me with a higher low. You had a high, you had a low. You had a higher high, a higher low. Right now, you're in this upward channel. You see? To me, that's spelling a move on out of here, and you've denied this downward channel. And so you're on your way to the upside to claim liquidity, as far as I'm concerned, into a new all-time high.